what's up? My name is Aurora. Today I have a very chill, chit-chatty get ready with me. Basically, this is kind of like my go-to if I'm really in a rush and I need to do a hair, makeup, outfit in like 10 or 15 minutes. This is the final look. And yeah, I just wanted to like sit down, talk to you, walk you through how I get ready. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn your post notification on, and you'll never miss a video from me. I usually post Mondays and Fridays. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E, you can do that. I said that wrong, but whatever. Let's get started. Like I said, very chit-chatty, very chill. Go grab a snack, go grab some lemon water. We're gonna just chill and get ready. Okay, so we're gonna start with my hair. I look very crazy. My hair really needs to be dyed and I really need a tan. As far as actually applying heat goes, this is probably the quickest hair thing that I can do. So I'm trying to be quick today, so that's what we're gonna go with. I'm plugging in my curling wand. This is from literally no idea. I'm turning it to 360. Whenever I straighten my hair, I like it to all be really sleek and like the perfect part, and any like flyaways kind of taken care of. But when I curl it, I like more of like a you just ran your fingers through your hair vibe. Then I take my heat protectant. I've already showed this in another video, but this is my favorite. I've literally been using it since middle school. So now I'm gonna take this glove. I don't always use a glove when I'm using a curling iron, but for this particular hairstyle, I like to like literally grab the iron. This literally takes me 5 minutes tops. So I'm gonna take the front piece, like the very front section right here, and I start from, I don't know, like more towards the top, and I'm just gonna wrap it, and I'm kind of wrapping it a little bit loose. That's the vibe of the front piece. So my hair is already sectioned in 2. Besides the front piece, I section this back section into 3. And now we're doing it much lower than we did this front framing piece. I'm taking this same direction. I like to just literally grab it with the glove and hold it. Then I grab another third, start this middle piece at the lowest point. I don't really know why I do it like this, but this is what I do. Then I'm gonna throw this back and do the same thing to the other side. Our hair is curled. And then what I'm gonna do is I just flip it over and kind of like, I don't know, mess it up a little bit. I take my hairbrush and I brush through the curls. Then I'm gonna be taking my Moroccan argan oil because it's good for your hair, and I think it just gives it a little bit more of like a relaxed, beachy look. If I wasn't talking, I could literally do this in like 3 minutes. So yeah, and then I just kind of like tuck it behind my ears, pull some pieces out, mess with it, whatever. It's supposed to be very like chill. So yeah, that's the hair. It's like so hot here. Okay, so we have all of our skincare and our makeup. Very quick makeup, especially lately. Like if I'm going anywhere, I really don't care who sees me. I have a mask on anyway. But like if I just want to be pretty in the house, or if I'm gonna be filming videos and I just don't want to put a bunch of makeup on, this is my go-to. Also, just in general, like if I'm on, this is witch hazel, if I'm on vacation or I'm somewhere where I just have to like get ready quickly, this has always been my go-to. Taking some niacinamide. This I got from Amazon. Really fuck with it. Ignore my nail. I've been using it for like 2 years, and it's one of those products where it's like you don't notice how much you love it until you don't have it anymore and your skin is freaking out. My skin doesn't look that good, but without it, my skin looks 20 times worse. So if you have acne scarring, or if your skin just is like dull or rough at all, I would definitely recommend niacinamide. This one I get from Amazon. Another Amazon skincare must-have for me. This is hyaluronic acid. It's it's an ingredient that's in a lot of really good skincare products that are on the market right now. Super moisturizing. And also these two serums that I just showed you, especially for serums and for skincare, are relatively cheap. So A+, love them. Specifically love these two. I've tried like other brands and I always go back to the formula of these. So definitely recommend it. I'll link it down below. Next is my, if I can open it, it's my Priming Moisturizer Rich. I always take a popsicle stick when I use this because I just don't like dipping my fingers in the like jar and then it just sitting there. This moisturizer, above just being good for your skin and really hydrating it, it gives it such a pretty natural glow. If I don't want to put makeup on, but I still want to look pretty, I'll at least put this on my face because it just gives it such a nice glow in my opinion. I mentioned in my last video, I'm like trying to hide it, my mirror. So gross, so dirty, cracked. The dirty part I can clean. I just use it so much that whenever I clean it, it's dirty again in like 2 days. Speaking of like vacation makeup, right now I'm filming with a ring light, but whenever I do my makeup, I always set up my phone's flashlight and just prop it up against my mirror. When you're on vacation and you don't have good lighting or you have to get ready in like a car, your flashlight. Personally, I feel like I have the worst brows. Like when I do them, I feel like they're horrible too. I'm brushing my brows up. When I'm not wearing a ton of makeup or when my hair really needs to be dyed, I use a lighter shade of Dip Brow. I think it just gives it a more natural look, and especially when I'm more pale, when I'm not wearing a ton of makeup, my normal brow shade can end up looking a little bit harsh. This one is taupe. It's pretty light brown. Morphe M165. And the essential part is you want to squeeze it and pinch it. I like a little bit more of like a short, narrow brow. Just like that. So my brows are done. I feel like I look a lot better. Next, I'm gonna be taking my Glossier Stretch Concealer. I'm gonna be taking this concealer and being very, very strategic with where I place it. First, this has to go. Like I've been staring at it the whole time. Just like to apply it to the like problem areas, and then I work whatever the remainder is up into my eyes. This is birthdaybalm.com. Put some of that on my lips just to like moisturize it for a second. I used to really not like the look of like just mascara and like no other face makeup. This is Rocket Volume Express from Maybelline. I used to hate that look, but lately I feel like when you have like your eyelashes, whether you have extensions or you're just like doing what I'm doing and putting mascara, I do this like to pull it up so I can get really in there. I think it looks so good. It makes your skin look 20 times better, and it just gives you like such a pretty feminine look. I look wild when I do this, by the way. And I just love the way that my lashes look when I do that. Okay, so I feel very, very pale. Drawing it on my cheeks. I kind of go a little bit further back and I do some on my lips. And then that is my makeup. We use like 4 products. Okay, let's go put on the outfit. I'm really, really feeling this outfit. Let me show you. The lighting is a little weird. We have the ring light right there. I'm actually really feeling this look. I love these shoes. I think they're so cute. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat, get ready with me format. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos. I'm happy to do more of them, or some vlogs, Q&As, stuff like that. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I post new videos every Monday and Friday. And if you would like to follow me on Twitter and IG, it's Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Later.